welcome with my sleepy faces. So today's program is like kayak. We are doing a tour. It's called Krabi Mangrove Kayak Tour. So we are not waiting to go, and we will show you back at the place. See you soon.
That's the island, Hong Island. And suddenly, you can see this look like.
I'm sorry guys, my girlfriend needs to pedal because I'm... Oh, yeah, there was a rock. I need to film my girlfriend, so...
After the canyon, we go in the mangrove forest narrow, and you follow me one by one.
Hello again, so we are done with the kayak tour. We changed to another hotel, which is just behind me. The kayak was really nice. It was how long?
I think we did around 2 hours.
Yeah, it feels like 2 hours to my arms and to my legs as well. It's like a good workout. After that, they took us back to our hotel. We check out, and now we check in to the new hotel. We enjoy the pool, and now we will go swim at the beach.
But the guide said that we could see the monkey, but actually we didn't see.
Yeah, fortunately we couldn't see the monkey because I was like not expecting some monkey. It says it depends. Sometimes they come to the boat and they even like bite you if you touch them, which I wouldn't recommend, of course. But yeah, we didn't see any monkey.
And also the tide was low, so sometimes it was hard to sail.
So to pedal,
Yeah,
it's a lot of workouts. You need to be ready. Eat something before you go, for sure. We had a big breakfast before coming, and you can choose to have like the lunch include or not. For us, we didn't choose with like the lunch because we wanted to have our own time for lunch, and because when we went on the tour for the baths, the lunch was like super small, and yeah, we wanted to have our own lunch this time. But you can choose to have like the lunch include, I think, and maybe other activities less like a package. But for us, it was just like the kayak tour. I think that's it about the kayak tour.
Yes. And luckily the weather was pretty good.
Yeah, pretty good. I mean, yeah, my sunburn can confirm this. Wear sun cream. I mean, I did wear some cream, but we will do a little video to show you the hotel later. So see you later. So we are now at a cafe called Kwan Nom Sao for a nice viewpoint that you can see just right here. What time is it now? It's 5 p.m. 30. Not sure yet, we're gonna check the sunset in here or in another locations, but we are enjoying some drinks for now. It's not too famous. Oh, yeah. It's not too famous places, so it's like just like few people with us. So it's quite nice and very peaceful here. So much nature, so much beauty. Hello again. So we are now at Khaothong Hill to check the nice view of the sunset, which is just behind me. I'm not sure we can clearly see well. But here we have a nice other spot, just like before. We had a nice view, and here it's more like sea view. Because today it's quite cloudy actually. But yeah, once again, so pretty landscape in here. We're gonna enjoy the sunset. Starting now, it's 6 p.m.
In Kwan Nom Sao, if you climb a little bit from the cafe, you can check like ocean little bit.
And in here you have to pay for the entrance. It was 60 baht per person, and then a car is taking you to the top of the hill. So you don't have to walk, but you will have to pay, and you will have to pay again for some drinks. So yeah, just keep that in mind if you come here. And this place is much more crowded. There is more people than the previous place, because I guess this one is more famous. But it's not like it's like okay, not like Chinatown. And after we will go back home, and if we can, we are gonna try to watch the fire show that is on the beach at every night around 9:30. So we'll try to catch that one today to enjoy it, and so maybe we are gonna see you later for this. So see you soon.
So we're gonna leave soon.
Yeah, we're gonna have dinner.
Yeah, and today I think we're going to eat tom yum goong.
I guess, yeah, if we can find one, yeah.
Yeah.
Hello again. So we are back at the hotel after having dinner. The dinner was super good. We had like some
Tom yum goong.
tom yum goong, which is spicy shrimp soup with some fried rice. The other one was called kasoy. It was noodles with creamy coconut sauce. This one was quite good, and all of that was only like around 9 euros for 2 people, which is super amazing prices. And we couldn't actually see the fire show because it starts raining like crazy, like tropical rain so much, so we had to hurry and go back home. So we are gonna check it another day maybe. That's it, I think, for today. We are gonna rest now, and we will see you later for another day. Bye!